Hi, it's Batty from Batty Hattie's NFT Emporium. You might have watched our first video on how to set up your Google account. This is the second, if you like, installment, which is just going to literally show you how to set up your Hashpack, because obviously you're going to need your Hashpack to be able to mint any NFTs on the Hedera network. If you want to go to your extensions, because you're going to put an extension on your browser, and quick and easy to go to manage extensions. Literally you'll bring you to this page here, and then you can literally skip over and get the hyperlink to the web store. You can go via the cog, but I find that just nice, quick and easy. And literally go to the search the store, and we're going to type in Hashpack, and it will pop up Hashpack wallet, Hashpack app. So we just click there, and we add to Chrome. So we can now see that Hashpack is loaded into our extension panel here, and you can pin it if you wish to, so it's always there for you. And we can just click pin. That means it's always visible for you to use. So this, we double click it, and this will be the first time that we access your Hashpack, and you're going to need to have a pen and a piece of paper with you. It's going to ask you to use a password to make sure that this is a kind of first step of security, just to be able to access your Hashpack on your browser. And this is obviously a password which is unique to your browser that you are using at home, and to this unique email address. Okay, so in the last video I made a mistake of not recording the wallet. So essentially I'm just going to take you through how to set up a wallet again. So what would happen is you go to create a wallet or import existing. Obviously you want to create a new wallet, and you want to create a new wallet again, and it will come up with your 24 seed phrases. And obviously your seed phrases are essentially your password to your Hedera mainnet account, and you can access your Hedera mainnet account with these words on any portal to that. So it could be Hashpack, it could be my HBAR wallet. So this isn't just your Hashpack password. This is your 24 seed phrase for your Hedera mainnet account. Now it will ask you at this point to verify those you've written down, and obviously you would have written these down a few times just to make sure that you've got it correctly. I generally make 3 copies, and then I will store them in different places. One is my parents, actually, just so in the worst case scenario, like there's a fire or something, I have got access to that 24-word seed phrase. So make sure you write it down and make sure you have it. So we've cleared that verification process. It might ask you for a wallet password. We've already set up the wallet password at the start, but it might ask you to set up another layer, because you can have multiple Hedera accounts in your wallet. So on your Hashpack, you might have 5 different accounts if you wanted to. So it might have a separate password for each one, but I don't, just because it saves time. I might give it another nickname. So we'll call this Pixel 2, just because I messed up the recording of the first one. And it's going to create the account on the mainnet. So there's your account ID. You've also got your recovery keys. So you can see your 24-word seed phrase again, which make sure you've written that down. I wouldn't store it electronically. There are people that do, but personally, I think a hard copy means it can't be hacked. And also you've got your private key, which essentially is a code for all the words below. And you can use the private key or the seed phrase to access your mainnet account at any point when you're asked for it. Do not share your private key ever, and do not share your 24-word seed phrase ever. And be careful when you, if you like, if anything ever asks you to share these with anyone, don't. Okay, they don't need to share them with anyone. So if anyone ever says you do, you don't. So don't share it with anyone. Okay, let's go. We've done that. I've saved all the information. That's brilliant. And we can go. So now we can see our account number. We can see all our different things there. Obviously, there's no NFTs at the moment, and we can see our balance of 0. So that is currently our Hashpack wallet, and we are all set up. Now you'll remember I said to you, I've got multiple different wallets. You can, and here's the obviously test Pixel account I did earlier and forgot to record, but that's how easy it is to switch between wallets. Hope that makes sense, and I'll move on to the next video where we'll show you how to mint a Pixel drop.